Hey there, fellow axe junkies, Rooster here, and welcome to Tipping Forward. Alright, now I've got a tip where I've got a nice handle, but I want to basically secure it in a vise, but I don't want the vise to grab or dent or damage the handle. So what I'll do is I have what's called baler belting. Comes in different widths, it's flexible, and it holds its shape a little bit. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to put that right into the jaws of my vise, and as I keep that vise closed and open, that baler belting expands and contracts as I need to. That also protects the handle that way, so I can put that in there like that, nice and tight, without damaging the handle. You can also use it for a loose head, where you don't want the jaws to damage the face of the axe. So I can stick that in there, tighten it up, and the baler belting conforms to the face of the head. Now I can go ahead and clean up my eye with a file or whatever I need to do. Or if I want to grind off a mushroom or something like that out the backside. So that's baler belting. You can get that at farm stores, and have a good day.